Yes, we take it all apart, we take the door off, we take all the glass out, we dip it in the tanks and we make it sparkle. Well, what we do is we clean the roof of the oven to get rid of all the grease and fat. We make sure the element is clean, so this is where the smoke comes from. We clean all the sides and just basically get rid of all the grease and fat away from the element, away from the heaty part, and then we check the oven after to make sure it's all gone. Yes, we can. Well, obviously we take the doors off, we strip the door, take all the glass out, we clean the glass thoroughly, make sure there's no mark, grease, carbon, anything like that, and we make sure there's no fingerprints. We put all the glass back, and yes, you'll see your food cooking once again. It could take anything from an hour to 3 hours. It all depends on what sort of oven you've got. If it's a normal double oven, it's usually about an hour and a half to do a full strip and clean. I think a range will take about 3 hours. Yes, you can use the oven straight away. All our products we use are eco-friendly and safe for children, pets. So yes, you can use the oven straight away. So we can do it a lot faster and better for yourselves. It's a lot of time and effort, but obviously the products yourselves use from the stores aren't eco-friendly, and sometimes they damage the oven. Well, our techniques are obviously strip the oven and we put in a degreasing solution in the back of the van, which cleans all the carbon, the grease and everything off so it's nice and clean. We use eco-friendly product, but it's more of the technique we use more than the products. Yes, once it's cleaned, I'd use oven liners to put in the bottom to catch all the grease. That way it's not going to be hard to clean for the next time. You can also use the oven liners for baking trays and the roasting tins, which obviously will save up on the washing up.